Now this here is a KTM 390 Adventure, but this here is also another KTM 390 Adventure. But the difference is that one is mine and gets a 399cc engine, and this is the new one which gets a 349cc engine. तो इस वीडियो में मैं आपको अपना एक ऑनेस्ट ओपिनियन देने वाला हूं as a KTM 390 Adventure owner on how the new motorcycle is to ride with the smaller engine. So keep watching. Now before we get to the exciting bits of this video, if you are also a KTM Paglu like myself, then keep on watching the video till the end. And if you like it, do not forget to like and share it with your friends, and also subscribe to the Times Drive channel for more such automotive content. Now before I tell you where the new 349cc Adventure sits in the entire KTM lineup, थोड़े से जो concerns हो सकते हैं आपके mind में, उनको address कर लेते हैं. The first being, no, the 399cc engine is not dead. In fact, ये 350cc segment का Adventure KTM ने as a standalone variant निकाला है, which sits above the KTM 250 Adventure and below the 390 Adventure X. Now in the middleweight ADV segment, the 390 has a unique place of its own, thanks to its Dakar Rally inspired styling and the tall windscreen that goes well with the slim profile of this motorcycle, which makes it really accessible and fun to ride. And then of course you have the tall front beak, जो इस बाइक को front से एक काफी distinctive look देती है, along with the vertically stacked LED lighting setup that you see in the front. Of course, this bike gets a slim profile, as I mentioned, and that tapers out towards the rear end in a very slim manner that looks very different from the rivals that are there in this segment. Now, being an entire separate bike in itself, 349cc वाला अगर आप KTM Adventure choose करते हैं, then you only get this color option available to you, which gets the mix of the white and the bright orange body panels. Apart from that, the special thing about the 349cc KTM Adventure is that it borrows all the goodies and gadgets from its elder brother, the Adventure X. इसका मतलब ये है that you do not pay as much as an Adventure X, but you still get all the gadgets that you might need. That includes the 5-inch TFT display, the traction mode, the switchable ABS, and even the cruise control, along with the bi-directional quick shifter, जो इस बाइक की चलाने की feel को काफी ज्यादा स्पोर्टी वाइब दे देता है. That's not all, because you still get the WP Apex USD front forks with 200 mm of travel, and of course that big disc brake is there on the front, and at the rear you also get the monoshock. Rear में आपको travel 205 mm तक का मिल जाता है, which gives this bike a very comfortable ride over bad roads. And then you have the 830 mm seat height, along with the 230 mm of ground clearance that this ADV has. Combining all of that with the 14.5 liter fuel tank that you see here, ये बाइक काफी अच्छी तरीके से touring ready है and can be a good companion for long travels. So with that, I hope मैंने आपके लिए काफी अच्छी तरीके से establish कर दिया है that the 349cc ADV might be downsized, but it is not a compromise at all in any other department. तो व्यूअर्स, अब आ जाते हैं वीडियो के उस पार्ट पे जिसका आप सब बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे थे, which is where we talk about how this new engine is in terms of performance and riding quality. अब देखिए, it depends on how you want to look at it. If you will look at this engine as a standalone 349cc unit in the ADV, then it will feel really punchy to you and also pretty lively. ये इंजन 5000 RPM के नीचे काफी ट्रैक्टेबल है. सिटी ट्रैफिक में भी ये काफी ज्यादा easy to maneuver around लगता है, and after the 5000 RPM mark is where it starts making its real power. And on the spec sheet, it generates 41.5 PS of power and 33.5 Newton meters of torque. Now, of course, that is lower than the 399cc engine that we have seen in these bikes earlier. And that is where the subjectivity comes into place, because अगर आप इसको 399cc वाली Adventure X से compare करेंगे तो initial acceleration इस motorcycle का आपको थोड़ा flat लगेगा. Now don't get me wrong, it is still a pretty quick bike, but if you start comparing it to the 399cc engine तो इसमें वो वाइल्डनेस फैक्टर आपको थोड़ा कम महसूस होगा. बट there has to be a special mention for the quick shifter that KTM has given even for this 349cc engine, because that makes this bike feel faster than it actually is. Now with that out of the way, let's come to a major concern जो existing KTM Adventure 390 owners के बीच में काफी ज्यादा discuss होता है, and that are the vibrations from the engine in this motorcycle. अब देखिए, in the vibrations department, I would say that the 349cc engine is not very different from the 390. But being a 390X owner, in my experience, I can tell you that as you keep on riding the bike, the vibrations start to smoothen out by the second service itself. But on the flip side, the 349cc engine has much better low speed behavior. उसका मेरा कहने का मतलब ये है that in traffic, if you are going to be riding this motorcycle on the second gear or maybe third gear, it will take it in a stride very comfortably like any other rival. But that is not the case when it comes to the higher 399cc engines, because they start knocking and jerking very badly, and that is a sour point in the KTM ADV 390's armor. So those were my honest riding impressions when comparing the new 349cc engine to the larger 399cc engine bikes. But now let's come to the pricing of this new motorcycle, and this is where things get really interesting. अब इस वीडियो में मैंने आपको पहले बताया था that the new 350 Adventure sits bang between the 250 Adventure and the 390 Adventure X. Now that means that of course it is cheaper than the X, but it is not a lot more expensive when you compare it to the 250 Adventure, because जहां पर baby KTM Adventure 250 is priced at 2.45 lakh ex showroom, वहीं पर ये मोटरसाइकिल आ जाती है at a price of rupees 2.80 lakh ex showroom. Now that is only rupees 35,000 more. And when you compare it to the 390X, which is priced at rupees 3.43 lakh ex showroom, इस बाइक का वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशन काफी ज्यादा अट्रैक्टिव लगने लगता है when you consider that you are getting all the goodies that I spoke to you about earlier, including the cruise control, the quick shifter, the traction modes and the switchable ABS. So guys, with that आज आते हैं कि अगर आपको ये नई 349cc वाली इंजन की KTM Adventure कंसिडर करनी चाहिए या नहीं. अब देखिए, आफ्टर my experience with this new motorcycle, I would like to say कि जो KTM 250 एडवेंचर को कंसिडर कर रहे थे, उनको तो डेफिनेटली इस बाइक को चेकआउट करना चाहिए, बिकॉज एट अ मार्जिनल इंक्रीज ऑफ कॉस्ट उनको पावर और परफॉर्मेंस में बहुत ही ज्यादा इंक्रीमेंट्स मिलने वाले हैं. एंड लेट्स नॉट फॉरगेट ऑल द टेक एंड गैजेट फीचर्स दैट आर बीइंग एडेड इन दिस एज वेल. नाउ कमिंग टू द लार्जर बाइक्स, the 399cc engine buyers can also consider this motorcycle if they plan to use it for daily commutes and office commutes majorly. Now that is because, as I was telling you, इस बाइक का day to day riding में traffic और low speed behavior काफी ज्यादा मुझे better लगा when compared to the larger engines. And in terms of riding comfort, जहां पर आपको बार बार gear ना change करना पड़े, उसमें ये नया 349cc का engine ज्यादा comfortable prove होता है. Now of course इस segment में there are a lot of serious off-road and touring enthusiasts as well, and उनके लिए KTM is still offering the 390 Adventure X, S and R. So with that, I leave you to drop your opinions in the comments, and also do not forget to like and share this video with other adventure motorcycling enthusiasts that you might have in your circle. Of course, like always, do not forget to subscribe to the Times Drive channel for more such automotive videos.